Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your cabin air filter. First, locate your glove box on the passenger side. Open it and remove all contents. Then, gently press inward on the sides of the glove box. This action will release the stopper tabs, allowing the glove box to swing down further and reveal the filter housing behind it. It's a straightforward first step. Now that the housing is exposed, you'll see a cover. Unclip the two retaining clips holding it in place. Gently pull out the old cabin air filter. Take a moment to observe the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. You'll likely see accumulated debris, indicating it's time for a change. With the old filter out, it's time for the new one. Before inserting it, confirm the airflow arrow on your new filter points downward, matching the direction you noted earlier. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing. Ensure it sits completely flush and is properly seated within its slot. This prevents air from bypassing the filter. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Next, push the sides of the glove box inward again to re-engage the stopper tabs, allowing it to swing back up. Close the glove box firmly until it latches properly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, ensuring cleaner air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.